Hi mathematicians, today we are on lesson 8.9 in your Go Math book, Display Measurement Data on page 433. And our essential question is this: how can a line plot be used to show measurement data? Okay, here's our first problem. Use an inch ruler. Measure and record each length. Okay, so right now I am using my measuring tape because remember, I do not have a ruler at home, but my measuring tape is just fine. And I can see that it is about 5 inches long. Not quite, but about 5 inches long. I'm going to record that for that string. Oh, my dog likes to measure too. Okay, and then I'm measuring this string, and it is about 2 inches long. About 2 inches long. Okay, next I have this string, the blue one, which is about 3 inches long, not all the way there, but about 3 inches long. So I have my shortest string, which is the yellow string, at 2 inches. And I have my middle length string, 3 inches, the blue. And then the longest string is 5 inches, the red one. Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit about data. Data is just organized information. A line plot, this is a line plot, is a way to show data. On this line plot, each X stands for the length of one pencil in inches. Okay, so what it's saying is, here are the lengths of the pencils. It could be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11 inches. And each X represents one pencil. Okay, so just like you would on a bar graph, you count how many are in each category. You've been doing bar graphs. So, how many pencils are just 6 inches long? I would go to the 6 inches, and I'm going to see how many. 1, 2. 2 pencils. How many different pencils? Sorry, my dog was starting to chew a book that I need for my math. Okay. How many different pencils are shown in this data? How many different pencils are shown in this one? Well, each X is a pencil, so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they measured 9 pencils. Okay, use an inch ruler. Measure and record the lengths of 5 books in inches. Okay, my first book, I'm going to go over here. I have a little recording area or measuring area set up. And I'm going to show you how I use my ruler back. Thank you. And measure the length of the 5 books. So this book is about 11 inches long. Okay, so my first book is about 11 inches long. Now I have my second book. It is about 9 inches. No, OB, that's not what we do in math class. That's not what we do in math class. 9 inches long. Now I realized I measured this book this way, but then I measured this book this way. So I need to be doing it all the same way, same direction. So I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to go top to bottom, and that is 9. So about the same, 9 inches. So I'm going to record that a little bit differently because look, yeah, their heights are about the same. So now I'm going to this book, and it's about 8 inches long. Okay, that's my estimate, 8 inches long. And now I have my Garfield book, and I can see that it's about 5 inches long. I'm gonna record that. That's my 4th book. And now I have my little French book, and that is about 5.5 inches long. Okay, I measured all of my books. Now, it says write a title for the line plot, then write the numbers and draw the X's. So I'm gonna be making a line plot for my books. If you come a little closer, you can see that. So down here, I'm gonna say lengths of books in inches. Okay, and my graph, my longest is 9 and my shortest is 5.5. So I know I need to start at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My shortest is 5. Thank you. My husband corrected me. 5 inches, not 5.5. I missed that one. So I'm going to mark an X for this 4th book on the 5. Okay, and then 5.5, I have the 5th book. I'm going to make a dash right there, a mark, and put an X there for the other book. Then I have my 8. I'm going to put an X right there. And then I have my other book, which was 9, or I have 2 that were 9 inches long. This is my plot, my line plot.